Nakakainit na ng ulo yung flood control projects and 3 taon na po yan dito sa Senado na tinatakel. Unfortunately, wala pa rin nangyayari. Yung 3 contractor, St. Timothy Trading, Wawaw, and SY Sims Construction Trading.
Wala
Nandito po
yata
silang 3.
SYMS dito. Hindi dumating. Hindi sumipot.
We subpoena them already, Mr. Chairman.
Yes.
So we will contempt the
We'll issue a warrant of arrest.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Wow.
Good morning po.
Yeah, can you answer yes or no? Ghost project? It's a yes or no question, sir. Wow, you're
You don't
looking,
even know?
You're looking for your lawyers? Wow.
I invoke my right of self-incrimination in your honor.
Okay.
Ano? Can you repeat your answer?
Wow.
Can you repeat your answer, Mr. Arevalo?
I invoke my right for self-incrimination in your honor.
My God, the question of the majority floor leader is very simple. It's very simple. Do you have any ghost project in any of the areas here in the Philippines? Answer.
Dahil may mga usapin po na kakasuhan yung mga contractor ng DPWH po at parte ng ulat ng Senado na magpagrekomenda ng paghahain ng kaso laban sa resource person, ang payo ng aking mga abogado ay huwag magsalita sa panahon na ito dahil anumang pahayag ko sa pagsisiyasat.
Sino utos sa'yo na huwag magsalita? Sino? May binabasa ka ba?
Ginawa ko po, Your Honor.
Ano binabasa mo?
Pasensya po kasi kinakabahan po kasi po.
It is only answerable by yes or no, Mr. Arevalo. Is there any ghost projects of Wawaw Builders? This is what I discovered, and the former secretary confirmed during the first hearing that there indeed are ghost projects.
Bine-verify pa po namin, Your Honor, ang ano kung meron po talaga.
Ano ka ba sa Wawaw? Are you the owner?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You should know.
I'm just disappointed, Mr. Chairman, kasi pambira ka, sasagot ka ng ganyan, ghost project. Para tinatanong ka kung tao ka, hindi mo alam kung tao ka.